You see it. Let's get it. The U.S. warns industrial system companies and companies that run industrial systems. So, it's a quick article. Let's look at it and go over it real quick. U.S. warns of government hackers targeting industrial control systems. So, you're talking about airplane companies, gas companies, nuclear power plants, those type of industries run state industrial types, which is a lot of infrastructure. So let's get it. A joint system security advisory issued by CISA, NSA, FBI, and the Department of Energy. Let's read that one more time. I guess everybody's concerned about that one. A joint cybersecurity advisory issued by CISA, NSA, FBI, and Department of Energy. DOE warns of government-backed hacking groups being able to hijack multiple industrial devices using a new ISC-focused malware kit. The federal agency said the threat actors could use custom modular malware to scan for, compromise, and take control of industrial control systems and supervisory control and data acquisition devices, SCADA. The APT actors tools have modular architecture, enable cyber actors to conduct highly automated exploited against targeted device. Modules interact with target devices, enabling operations by lower skilled cyber actors to emulate high skilled actors and capabilities. The Joint Advisory read. The APT actor can leverage the modules to scan for targeted devices, conduct reconnaissance on device details, upload malicious configuration and code to targeted device, backup and restore the device contents, and modify device parameters. So once again, this is like a script kiddie, but the malware is so good, right? It's making it easy for the script kiddie to actually attack the industrial control, aka the ICS and SCADA devices. At risk of being compromised and hijacked include Schneider Electronics, nano programmable logical controllers, Amaron's Sysmac, NGen, NXX PLCs, and open platform communications architects, OPC and UA servers, right? So it seems like this malware is targeted at certain industrial controls, so, which is common. So it makes it more effective when it's targeted for a certain thing. DOE, Department of Energy, CISA, NSA, and the FBI also found that state sponsor hackers also have malware that leveraged the CVE 2020 15368, right? That's the vulnerability. Exploited the target Windows systems with ASRock motherboards to execute malicious code and move laterally to disrupt IT or OT environments, right? So that's the thing when you get inside of an environment, right? You want to move laterally and escalate your privileges, right? So that's super common from attackers. The new malware targeted IC devices, while the federal agency did not share any additional information. Info on the hacking tools and malware mentioned in the advisory. The co-founder and CEO of industrial cybersecurity firm Drago said the company has been tracking this set of malware tools as the pipe dream since the discovery in early 2022. Developed by a group, Drago's Tracks is the Sheriff group. This is a seventh ICS specific malware file. I believe too, especially with the war, the Russian and Ukraine war, right? They're trying to take out industrial controls. That's gonna get your gas, your electricity, uh, dams, and all that files under there, right? And those are infrastructure things you want to take out in the army, right? So Drago assists with high confidence that Python has not been employed in any of the wild for destructive effect. This is a rare case of accessing and analyzing malicious capability developed by the adversaries before the deployment and give defenders a unique opportunity to prepare in advance. So obviously they found it or caught it before they actually, like I said, actually attacked the company, which is cool. PyDream can manipulate a wide variety of industrial control programmable logic controllers, industrial software, including once again Omron and Schneider Electric controllers. It can also execute attacks against the ubiquitous industrial controllers code DSys, malicious OPCU. Together, a significant percentage of industrial assets worldwide are vulnerable to the pipe dream. Right, so this is the guy from Robert Lee who's breaking it down. That's what they said in the article. Mandy also tracks this toolkit as in controller and said today it represents an exceptionally rare, dangerous cyber attack capability. We all know Mandy is one of the type suits cyber companies in the world. It's comparable to Triton, which attempted to disable the industrial safety system in 2017. Industrial Destroyer, which caused a power outage in Ukraine in 2016. The famous Stuxnet, which sabotaged the Iranian nuclear power plant around 2010. Mandy had added recommendation measures, which is cool. The federal agencies recommend network defenders start taking measures to protect their industrial networks from attacks using these new capabilities and malicious tools. They advise enforcing multi-factor authentication. Hopefully, you would already be on the MFA train for remote access to ICS networks. Changing the default passwords, which we would already hope was already done. Changing the default passwords to the ICS and SCADA devices and system. Rotating passwords using OT monitoring solutions to detect malicious indicators and behaviors. Additional mitigation measures can be found within today's advisory with more information with the CISA and Department of Defense on blocking the target of the systems, layering network security via segmentation, and reducing exposures across industrial systems. APT actors are targeting certain ICS and SCADA devices and could gain full system access if undetected, the NSA side said, we urge organizations to apply the detection and mitigation recommendations in our joint advisory to thwart this activity. Once again, industrial systems, SCADA, and ICS are being attacked. That's usually dams, nuclear power plants, gas company, water companies, right? Those are usually controlling infrastructure targets. So, once again, Professor Black Ops, please subscribe. Be careful out there.